have built the most deadly obstacle course in the world. And my friend Mac here is attempting to complete it without falling 200 feet to the ground.
Whenever you're ready, Mac. First jump, he's about to do it! Oh my god, I'm so high in the air. Look at how much that platform is shaking. We are currently hundreds of feet in the air. Look at that.
And this is just the first of many deadly, painful, absolutely insane obstacle courses that Mac will face in this video. And if Mac completes all 6 of the obstacle courses coming up, he wins $800,000.
That looks insane. I could not do what he's doing right now. Oh my god, that thing almost touched me. He might not even make it past the first level. 2 more jumps! Oh my god. This is the last jump. I don't know if I can jump that far. And of course, I had to make it the hardest jump. There's double swinging cameras, and it's the longest distance. You have it. I don't know if I have it. Heck, 800 grand's on the line. This is gonna be a short video, boys. It's scary for me, and I'm on the stable platform. Yes! Yes! Don't celebrate too early! That was the easiest of the 6 obstacle courses. Let's go to the next one. Can't get harder than that.
Actually, yes it can. And Mac has to complete all 6 obstacle courses if he wants to walk away with $800,000.
Mac, are you ready? I don't know. The answer is no, because we're not hundreds of feet in the air yet. We're going up. Welcome to level 2. As I said before, this one is much harder. Remove your blindfold. Oh! In front of you are 2 games you used to play as a child. Balance beam and monkey bars. You just have to pick one of those and get to this side. Also, take your harness off. No. If for whatever reason he fails this obstacle course,
he free falls 200 feet into a net just like the first course.
And his 800 grand will burn. Jimmy, you gotta chill out, bro. This is the second one. What do you mean? Winning $800,000 isn't supposed to be easy. God, dude.
All right, looks like he's choosing monkey bars.
This is scary to watch him climb down. Once he starts dangling on that first bar, he can't go back. Let's see if he locks in the monkey bars. No way. 800 grand on the line. 3. Don't look down, because there's no going back. 2. Oh my gosh! Come on, man! Oh, don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. No! Bro, this is crazy. Hey, I know it might be hard, but look! Money! Money's over here! Keep going! Oh, this one's way further!
Well, Mac, the further you go, the harder it gets.
Oh, no! Oh my god! Mac, you're almost halfway already. Think of all the other times you lost. Don't do that to yourself.
Hey, Mac, if you fall, I have to get a new contestant.
Oh my gosh! Alright, we said just a couple more. Whoa. Alright, this one's a big one. This one's a big one. Oh, he's right here. Oh, this is a crazy shot. Please don't fall. He's so close. Oh my gosh.
And if you're wondering who my psychotic friend Mac is, he's actually a contestant from 2 previous challenge videos. And even though he tragically lost both of them, he's been a massive crowd favorite. So I'm gonna give him one final chance to redeem himself and win this money once and for all.
Welcome to level 3. What is this, Jimmy? Potentially your worst nightmare.
You see, so far in this video, the obstacle courses have all been about strength, which you're pretty good at. But this level is going to test your brain.
Press and hold this red button. Okay. As you will see, a pattern is now popping up on the floor. Wait for this pattern to populate.
To move on, you'll need to cross this floor only stepping on the green tiles.
And let go of the button.
The catch is, you'll be doing it completely from memory. You have exactly 30 minutes to memorize the 44 tile path perfectly. And if you accidentally step on one red square, your money is rigged to explode.
Here's a riot shield. Oh my gosh. It'll protect you from the bomb. Start the timer! Go for it. And he's off. The rain makes this so much more dramatic. Okay, the first step. Oh! Ah, stop! Don't tell us before you go. I do not need that. That is not helpful to me.
I didn't have my riot shield up. Mac, you sure you don't want to come back? Bro, you can press the button as much as you want.
If you're not confident in your next step, you should really don't blow up your money. Almost 5 minutes have gone by. I don't need that. And you're still at the start. I don't need that.
Mac, you've basically done a tile a minute so far.
Okay, thanks, Carl. And there's more than 30 tiles. Okay. All right, here we go.
Okay, how confident are you that won't explode?
I'm not confident. Okay.
And you're gonna do it anyways?
I'm kind of confident.
Whoa, he's getting deranged.
23 minutes left. as you're questioning whether or not to take that step, I want to remind you, this is your final chance to win this 800 grand. If you lose again, we're not bringing you back.
Is it forward one, or what do you think? Who are you asking, Mac? Jimmy? I don't
Wait,
know.
you want me to help you win my money?
It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
At this point, Mac was navigating so far into the course that an individual attempt was costing him at least 6 minutes. And no matter what he tried, he continued to forget the very end of the pattern.
It was down 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 4. Boom. I think this is it. All right, this is uncharted territory. I haven't gotten this far. You have 9 minutes. You can go back and check if you want.
I thought that was it.
The only way I could go from here is forward. I think it's...
Mac, yes, remember how you felt when you lost the 700 grand and 800 grand?
Frequently, I think about that.
So for your sanity, you might want to go press the button one more time, but it's up to you. Oh, you're going back?
This is gonna be my last time.
Yeah.
Okay. 4, 4, right 2. 4, 4, right 2.
Mac spent half his remaining time repeating the pattern over and over again, hoping that his decision to return to the start one last time wasn't for nothing. But when Mac was finally confident enough to give it his last attempt,
Okay, this is it.
he was faced with an extremely tight deadline.
Under 4 minutes remain.
Oh my God.
Mac, I think it's time.
Mute everybody out, bro. It's just you.
Godspeed.
It's you and the
I
tiles.
literally feel my heart pounding right now. This is so intense. He had 30 minutes to do this. There is now less than 3 minutes. One wrong step, and he loses another 800 grand.
4, 4, right 2. 4, 4. This way. 1, 2, 3.
This is where he got stuck last time.
Oh my God. Dude, it's coming down to the wire.
I still got time. I still got time.
There's a high probability of an explosion coming up.
Max, there's 10 seconds left. I don't know.
You can jump. Just jump. What time? Jump.
You did it! Yeah!
Good. I'm so happy he's not picking me up.
Oh, you're not gonna come here, buddy.
No, I'm being assaulted.
And if Mac did step on a red tile,
Anyways, let's head over to level 4. Come on. Oh,
now this next level may look friendly, but I know for a fact it's going to obliterate you.
this
Wow.
is level 4.
And even though this course isn't in the sky, the obstacles you see here
That's a lot.
are almost impossible to accomplish in your one and only attempt. So therefore,
You have 2 options.
Tell me.
You can attempt to do this monster of an obstacle course, and if you fall in the water, lose everything. Or you can hold my Feastables chocolate bar, and as long as you don't drop it, get as many attempts as you want.
Feasible sounds like a plan.
just don't let go of that bar when you hit the water.
What could go wrong? He literally would have lost in the first 2 steps.
So it's a good thing he's holding on to the greatest chocolate on earth.
Oh! Yeah, we're gonna be here all night.
But I don't want to be. So it's about freaking time he got through the log roll.
I just remembered. You're supposed to be wearing this helmet.
Even though you don't need a helmet to know that Feastables is the world's best chocolate, I need you to wear one so you don't die holding my product on camera.
Whatever you do, don't drop that Feastables chocolate bar. That's available at every single Walmart nationwide.
You can also buy Feastables using the YouTube shopping tag on screen.
Oh!
What is this?
There's only one way to find out. Give it a try.
It does not feel possible.
Bro, that gap is insane. Oh, what is going on?
Mac, you wanna get onto it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Genius.
Mac seems to be struggling, so I'm gonna show him how it's done. This is how it's done, Mac.
Did you know that Feastables chocolate comes in 7 different flavors? Like my favorite one, almond!
Jimmy, I'm probably gonna be joining you down there in a second.
I love Feastables chocolate. I'm definitely not taking a break right now to catch air.
Mac, the only thing standing between you and level 5 are these not big red balls. I called them that so Wipeout wouldn't sue me.
And these balls are so much harder than the rest of this level that we brought out some other creators to test them out. Let's just say they didn't do so hot.
I'm never gonna die.
Disregard everything he just did.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
So if you don't want your trilogy to end with balls, you better hold on to that Feastables bar.
Good luck.
3, 2.
Oh! God! All right, try 2.
Try 3. Try 4.
जब तक के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, पेट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें प्लीज।
And fell. Oh yeah, and then he fell.
We're gonna be here till 4 days from now.
And no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't grab on to that third ball.
We've been going so long that the sun is literally starting to come up. This is your legacy. You got it. Yes! Yes! It literally took him 3 hours to get on that ball. Hold on! Don't drop that bar. I'm not dropping the bar. Oh! He did it! Press the button before you... Let's go! Oh my god! Well, you only have 2 more obstacle courses
To finally win one of these videos.
It's not getting harder than that.
You can't lie to a man while you shake their hand.
Exactly. Which we're doing.
That totally was the hardest one.
Just kidding, Mac is screwed. This next one is way harder.
Right this way, Mac. Oh, watch out. Watch your step.
What way are we going?
Yeah, forward.
I can't see.
Take the blindfold off. Welcome to level 5.
What is this? What's going on?
This level, you could probably tell we just built. You see, balance has been a trouble for you in past videos. You even declined the balance beam earlier in this video. You weren't even able to get over 1 rolling log without falling 6 times in a row. So now you'll have to cross not 1, but 3 rolling logs and get all 8 bags of money to the other side. And if you fall once, just once, you lose everything.
And before you do this challenge, I left out one final thing. You mind pulling this lever?
What's gonna happen when I pull
Just pull the lever.
There's no
We're
way.
doing this challenge. 200.
Why?
Go.
It was perfectly fine in the sky. The feeling of the ground just disappearing like that.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared now. This is wild.
You would be not human if you weren't scared of it.
Oh my gosh! What's going on? You okay, Mac?
No.
What's wrong?
I feel like I'm about to lose all this again, dude.
Just don't fall.
This exact thing, I couldn't even get across on the wipeout course. Like, I fell off of it like 5 times. And now there's 3 of them and we're 200 feet in the sky. In case I do fall, thank you for giving me a 3rd chance.
Aw.
I don't know if I've ever actually said thank you for giving me a 3rd chance.
No, you just yelled at me a bunch.
Yeah, I know. Well, you put me in the sky. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
This is very sweet, but I have a feeling you're just stalling because you're afraid.
Yeah.
Mac has lost $1.5 million. Let's see if it becomes 2.3 million. Whenever you're ready.
There's only one thing I say in situations like this over and over again. Godspeed.
When he walks, the entire platform shakes.
There it is. There it is.
Oh!
I'm gonna go for it. Right there. Watch out.
And the final piece of this challenge that I haven't told Mac
Is as long as you made it across, you're free to move on to the final obstacle course with whatever money you brought. Or if you're feeling risky, you can come back for more.
he didn't see that coming. This is a good bit.
What do you think I should do?
No, Brian, you go for it. You just did this. That was you first tried both bags. Are you kidding me?
You coming back for the 600 grand or not?
In the wise words of Carl.
But you're doing this on your own accord, and if you fail, it's
No,
not.
I'm doing it because Carl told me to. Carl Jacobs, a celebrity.
Yes. Oh my God.
Oh, perfect! He has now made 1 full trip.
I'm going to either sleep with a smile on my face tonight, or I won't sleep for 3. Let's go.
Oh,
While Mac is hundreds of feet in the air risking 800 grand, I want to tell you about Circle.
the best part about Circle is these flavor cartridges, which you just screw on the top like this, which allows you to make your water taste like whatever you want.
You can also adjust the flavor intensity just by turning this dial.
So if you set it to 3, you'll get a little bit of flavor. But Carl, set it to 9 now?
Give me that's a lot of flavor.
That's a ton of flavor.
Which makes it easier to drink more water.
I have an idea. Carl.
Oh, that's it.
I can't believe he's actually throwing them.
Oh, that's 4.
I can't believe that worked.
Dude, I just wish that there was new colored bottles.
Circle actually has
5 new colored bottles available now. Okay, welcome back. See ya. If you want to give Circle a try, just go to your local Walmart right now.
because I convinced Circle to give their biggest drop ever for a limited time.
All right, Carl, ready to do the spin dig again? Take your time.
I cannot believe he is throwing bags of money this high up in the air.
Every one of these throws is literally 100 grand.
Good stuff, man. Ready to finish it out?
Let's do this.
Do you want to just stay over there and move on? Or do you want to come back here? This is where things get risky.
You can go over there with Carl and move on competing for only 600 grand. Or, once again, grab the last $200,000 and risk it all.
Dude, you got this.
All right, that's the Mac I know. Okay.
God dang it, dude.
What you made it across? Why are you mad?
Because I almost didn't make it across.
Oh, he's back.
Bring home the money, baby.
All right, let's bring it home. No hesitation. Godspeed.
Stop. Stop.
Take a second, bro. You're good. This is routine now.
Yes. You ready to do this?
Oh yeah.
Let's bring it home, huh?
Yeah, dude. Think about your legs. Don't fall.
All right. Okay.
I'm coming to you, all right?
Okay, all the money's on the other side. Now he just has to cross without falling. 3, 2, 1. Oh! He did it!
Oh my God. Oh my
Come on! You thought I was done? We're not done yet, baby! Come on! Don't celebrate yet. The last challenge is where you always lose.
I'm not messing this up again.
And now it's time for the final challenge. Once again, Mac is blindfolded, but you can probably tell by the noise, we are going back up. Oh. We are now at the top. A couple more steps, a couple more steps. Take off your blindfold. Witness the final challenge.
This is by far the most insane obstacle course in this entire video.
Oh man, dude, that is crazy.
I wouldn't blame you if you're terrified of this course.
And because you've been through a lot, and not only this video, but past video, including spiders, drowning, boulders, lasers, and of course, cookies.
I have one out for you. You look right here. Oh, you don't even know what I'm gonna say yet.
I knew exactly what you're gonna say. I'm not doing that thing.
In here is an umbrella cookie. So I'm gonna give you a choice. You can attempt this umbrella cookie, and if you complete it, win 800 grand. Or attempt this giant, monstrosity, physics-defying obstacle course. If you complete that, win 800 grand. This is a massive decision. Here's the cookie.
I'm not accepting it. At least not yet. I've had actual legitimate nightmares about this cookie.
Aw.
What was that, like a womp womp aw?
Kinda, that's sad. But I guess, you did lose 1.5 million to it. And if you lost here, 2.3 million, and no other attempts in the future. Oh, he just threw it. Now that I know that,
All right.
you won't be needing this bad boy.
There is no turning back. Every single challenge and every single video all boils down to this moment right now.
To kick it off, he has these 2 trapeze bars and then a yellow platform. This only ends by you finishing or you falling. This is gonna be crazy.
All right, we're off.
He did it!
It's only gonna get easier, right?
Yeah, just don't look down. He looked down right when I said that. Here we go. Oh, that is insane. By the way, Mac, did I tell you I brought your mom and dad out? They're down there watching right now.
Come back! Come back! Mackie, you can do this! Oh my God. Oh God!
This next contraption is what I call the wall of death.
Creative name. Oh boy.
This one has a little bit of strategy. He can go up and down, or he can just come straight across right there. And in case you forgot, point the camera down. We're still 200 feet in the air.
Oh my God. This is insane.
Oh, don't take your head off. Oh, that's freaking me out.
Freaking you out.
My hands are sweating just watching. Oh.
Oh, I feel sick.
Oh, this makes me want to throw up.
God, these handles are so small.
Almost there. Yes!
Mom, you okay?
Yes!
Oh, my arms are so tired.
Well, lucky for you, you still have like a quarter of a football field left.
And you're gonna need all of your strength for the rest of this obstacle course.
This one is all about when you dismount the circle. Basically, if you let go too early, you fall.
Mac, you're shaking your arms out a lot. You better save your strength because you know how it works. The hardest is still yet to come.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Yes! Yes!
Now the giant swinging hammers. These things are massive.
And I see you brought my friend the balance beam back.
If he gets hit, there's no shot he's... What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Watch your head!
Oh my God!
That's gotta be terrifying. Wow.
Yeah, man!
We're now at the final part of level 6.
Now listen, I know earlier you chose not to attempt the cookie. However, considering the history you have with these cookies, I just couldn't resist bringing them back one last time.
I thought you already brought it back. Why are you bringing it back twice? There's no need for that.
I knew you were gonna say no to that.
Anyone with a brain says no to that. How do I get to that?
You just jump. How else would you get there? And with every jump, they get further and further apart.
And if that wasn't hard enough, I made sure that each cookie gets exponentially smaller by the jump. And the only thing between each of them is a trapeze bar and 200 feet of untethered freefall.
You got this, Mac. You got it.
4 jumps. Let's see if Mac gets rich.
3, 2, 1. God, it was almost over right there. That was terrifying.
1 down, 3 more to go.
And Mac almost lost on the biggest cookie. Remember, the cookies get smaller with every jump. Don't let this be the moment where you repeat history, because it's going to be your final fall.
As you can see, this bar is outside of Mac's reach, so he has to jump. And if he misses it midair, it's over.
And you go home with nothing but shame.
Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. He's swinging a lot.
Don't swing for too long, Mac. You're gonna need to save your strength for the umbrella.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yes, Mac. Yes.
Does the crack at the star remind you of anything?
You're in the end game now, Mac. These 2 cookies have broken you just as much as you have broken them. Fail here, and your chance to be lifted from the darkness will be gone forever.
Godspeed. Oh, he's off. Oh.
Come in.
All right, we're on the final jump.
Twice as far as the previous jump. Arguably the biggest hurdle in Mac's entire life, the umbrella.
It's do or die. He's either gonna win 800 grand,
Or the saga ends, and this was all for nothing.
your family's rooting for you, everyone at home is rooting for you. 3, 2, I think that, oh, he's running, jumping, jump!
He's so far away from that cookie. I can't watch this.
Can't breathe.
Just, there's 60 seconds left, man. Wait, what just happened? Oh, no. I actually don't know what to say. I'm such an idiot, dude. Oh my god. I did that twice? You finally did it! For the first time, he is holding the money that he has won. Yes! Yes! What are you gonna spend the $800,000 on?
I've got 3 friends of mine, childhood friends of mine. And they don't have a lot of money. I'm gonna make sure they don't have to worry about money anymore. I mean, my life's changed now.
Congrats, man. You deserve it.
Forever, bro.
You deserve it.
Dude, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes! Dude! Yes! Yes!
Look at how happy they are.
Oh, I love you guys!
Oh, Mac.
That was awesome.
You did it.
I'm so proud of you. Good job, man.
I've never been so happy to lose $800,000. Congrats, man.